Welcome to the MTFXG. In this video, you will learn how to deposit via crypto. The process is very simple. Visit MTFXG.com and log into your MTFXG account. Go to the MTFXG dashboard. Go to My Money and click Deposit Funds. Under the Deposit Funds section, choose one of the cryptocurrencies provided in the Select Deposit Method menu. Fill in the indicative amount value with the amount you intend to deposit. You may see the worth of the amount in US dollars or Bitcoin. Click Proceed. Simply scan or copy the QR code with any crypto wallet that you are using. Fill in the amount in the crypto wallet's deposit section. Double-check the details and click on Send the payments. The funds will be credited to your MTFXG account as per the blockchain response. Your transaction status and history can be found under My Transactions. That's it. Now you are ready to trade. Thank you.